Well, after such a long and thorough development period and an enormous amount of hard work, here we are at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. It's the public unveiling of the car in action. It's the first active drive of the car in front of the public, and it's gone down extremely well. It's been the centre of attention, and it's made a lot of people at McLaren very proud here today.
It looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? Just an amazing piece of engineering.
It's definitely got a clear lineage to the F1. When it's actually moving dynamically, it's so well poised, balanced, flat through the corners. It's great. Really good to see, finally.
Having a nice day? Yeah! Hey, good luck. Oh, this one's mine, hopefully.
Well, we've been very lucky to have both Jensen and Lewis drive the car up the hill at speed, demonstrating what the car is all about.
We going? Yeah.
Well, McLaren has a great history, and that's what we're all about. We're demonstrating some of our very successful Formula One cars and what we hope also will be a very successful road car.
We've been working on this project for 4 or 5 years, and you never know quite how it's going to be received. And the reception is just spectacular. People really appreciate the DNA of what this car is all about, and that's extremely heartwarming to all the people who have worked so hard on the project for so long.